How to fix allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone problem. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings, go to apps, then find TikTok app. Then go to permissions, then simply give this camera permission while using the app. Instead of selecting this ask every time, simply select allow only while using the app in both camera and microphone. Also, you have to give access to media for better performance. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.